All right, so in addition to pork sliders or burger sliders, you can also make chicken sliders. You can use ground chicken, or you can do like I did and use boneless skinless chicken thighs, or you can use boneless skinless chicken breast. So I had an extra pack of boneless skinless chicken thighs. So what I did was I cut them. I cut most of the fat off, and I just cut them in pieces like this. Okay. Now I cleaned it, rinsed it, and cleaned it like I always do. Some water and some either lime juice or vinegar, whichever one you prefer. I put a little bit of olive oil on there. Take a little salt. Some garlic powder. Onion powder. Okay, I gotta wash that. Oh no, that's not what I'm using. Paprika. And remember, I totally just forgot that I was touching the chicken with this hand. So now I gotta wash all those. No big deal, but just remember that. Some black pepper. And I just let this sit for a little bit. Now you can put this on the grill, in a grill pan. You can put this on skewers and put it on your big grill. And then take them off the skewers and put them on the little buns. Or you can fry them. It's up to you. You can bake them in the oven on a grill pan. Whichever you prefer. Alright. So, I'll be back. Okay. So, you put some flour, seasoned flour in your bowl with your chicken. Just enough to coat. And then you're going to put a little water. Just a little. Okay. I think that's good. Okay, so now you're going to take the chicken once your oil is hot enough. Yeah, I've burnt myself so many times today, I can't even tell y'all how many. I burned myself several times on the oven, once on each hand at least. Then I just burnt my wrist on the pot. I don't know. Maybe I should just stop cooking. Maybe that's the problem. Think I get away with that? I doubt it. Alright, so first things first is the chicken. We're going to put a little mayo on that bun. A little bacon maybe. Let me show you. Okay, that's that.